Well, we got some locates and haven't been able to locate the utilities. We got our meter box and our irrigation box out. We got our blue Quest pipe exposed. This is a recall pipe here. Any Quest, that company went out of business in the 90s, so and the deal was they get a lot of pinholes in their pipes, so over time they leak and come apart and all that kind of stuff. The white line runs into the house to the crawl space and up. That's where the water comes into the house. We're going to try and avoid the driveway, so we're going up this way here. We got a 2-foot square perimeter box and another 1.5 square foot perimeter box there. So we're going to be potholing for the utilities there. Now, what I was saying before Snapchat cut me off, we're going to pothole this guy here and see if we can locate this power line, or actually a fiber optic, that's cable. Red's power, green sewer, all that. Ended up having to take out some shrub bushes. That way we can remove the dirt and expose the pipe. Also had to take out a rose bush, so that's that. You can see a couple fiber optic locates over there, and that's about where we're at. So we're about done for the day. We're going to go ahead and cone this off, and we'll be back at it tomorrow. That's a lot of the hard part of the water service is just can't bring a track hoe out here. Obviously, this is a residential little area, and that's not the real reason. It's more because it's just real shallow, so you really don't need to bring a machine out here. Wanted to show you guys the second part of this. This is we're feeding a new water line here. The machine's pulling it. I'm just guiding it so it doesn't get pinched up here. We're in the crawl space, basically running it right here for the manifold, just above us here. And here's the old pipe. We're gonna run that out to the meter out in the street, and then that'll be that. We won't have to mess around with crimping stuff up or gluing pieces of fittings and pipe and all that down here, so that's kind of nice. Doing it like this, it's just one shot. You run it from the top down, and then hook it up. And that saves you a lot of trips from back and forth in the crawl space with the spiders and the insulation and the dust and all that shit. So, all right, set this down. Super uneven, so it's kind of a bitch to record it, but do my best. Dusty. Shit sucks. I hate crawl spaces, but no bitch. I think everybody hates crawl spaces. Should be pretty close now. Do about 5 feet at a time, and then he'll take a break, basically to make sure we're good and we're set still. And then he'll pull another 5 feet. We communicate with walkie-talkies. That way, there's no bullshit and running back and forth. That fucking sucks. Okay, push back, and now we're done. Yep, get a little push back. push back. Oh, he's taking it back. Sorry guys, super hard to see in here. I know it. Can't get my fucking phone set up for it. There we go. Now, what really scares me is hobo spiders. They're quite dangerous. I've heard they'll fuck you up one bite. I guess they're not deadly, but they're fucking huge, and they get you. They get you. Other than that, it's the brown recluse, I think, is another big one up here. We got black widows and shit like that, but they're kind of I don't know. They're not that aggressive, I guess. I don't know how true that is. I don't know much about spiders, but I know I don't like them.
We're good out here.
Alrighty, I'm coming out. Alright guys, well, I'd show you me crawling out of the crawl space, but last time I ended up losing my phone in this crawl space, and my batteries died on the flashlight, so that was a bitch. So I'm gonna cut it and see you guys on the outside.